CoinSwitch.co. This is the fastest way to swap hundreds of blockchain assets. Let's do a quick transaction. Let's say you have bitcoins and you want to buy Litecoins. Step 1. Select Bitcoin here as a depositing coin and enter the amount you want to convert. You can choose from over 270 cryptocurrencies. Let's search for Litecoin and select it as a receiving coin. CoinSwitch now gets you the best conversion rates from all major exchanges. You can click View All Offers to check rates at different exchanges. Step 2. CoinSwitch shows you all the offers from major exchanges. Select the offer you like or the one recommended by CoinSwitch. Click Exchange to continue. Step 3. Provide your Litecoin address here. This is where you will receive your coins, and put your optional Bitcoin return address here. Agree to our terms and start your transaction. Next, send Bitcoins to the provided deposit address and it will convert for you to Litecoins momentarily. Visit CoinSwitch.co, the fastest way to swap coins.